Annyeonghaseyo, Marlynette.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, Marlynette. Please introduce yourself.
Annyeonghaseyo, Shonong, Yungguksa, Shononghaseyo, Ilhang, Marlynette, Imida.
Okay, Marlynette. So, 1 month naman, no? Unsa man tigi pa-memorize ni teacher?
Multiplication.
Okay, multiplication. Na-memorize na nimang multiplication? Okay, very good. So, Marlynette, naakay 10 questions about sa multiplication, ha? If makapasar ka, makasulod na jud ka diri sa study room. Nakasabot? Okay, are you ready? Okay. 4 times 8.
32.
3 times 7.
21.
9 times 8.
72.
5 times 7.
35.
7 times 6.
42.
9 times 4.
36.
4 times 5.
20.
2 times 7.
14.
8 times 6.
48.
Okay, very good, Marlynette. So, naansira nimo ang 10 questions. So, makasulod na ka sa study room. Congrats! Smile, B. Annyeonghaseyo, Ella.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, Ella, please introduce yourself.
Annyeonghaseyo, Chanon, Ahopsa, Shononghaseyo, Samayan, Ella, Imida.
Okay, Ella. So, Ella, since mag 1 month naman ka, so, na-memorize na ba nimo ang unsaman? Multiplication. Okay, multiplication, ha? Na-memorize na nimo? Okay, very good. If makapasar ka sa akong test, makasulod na jud ka sa study room. Nakasabot. Okay, naakay 10 questions sa multiplication. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, let's start. 3 times 9.
27.
4 times 8.
32.
6 times 8.
48.
8 times 9.
72.
7 times 3.
21.
4 times 5.
20.
7 times 8.
56.
9 times 6.
54.
4 times 3.
12.
5 times 8.
40.
Okay, very good, Ella. Congratulations. Annyeonghaseyo, Anami.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, Anami, please introduce yourself.
Annyeonghaseyo. Chunon, Yudusal, Shironghaku, Ihangyon, Anami, Imida.
Okay. Anami, sa usa ka buwan or 1 month, unsa may gipa-memorize?
Multiplication.
Okay, multiplication. Na-memorize na nimo ang multiplication? Okay, very good. So, Anami, naakoy 10 questions. If makapasar ka, makasulod na ka sa study room. Nakasabot. Okay, 10 questions. Okay? Ready? Ready na? Okay. Let's start. 7 times 8.
56.
6 times 4.
24.
3 times 6.
80.
9 times 5.
45.
7 times 6.
42.
3 times 8.
24.
7 times 9.
63.
4 times 7.
28.
2 times 8.
60.
8 times 6.
48.
Okay, very good, Aname. So, nakapasar ka. Congratulations. Official na ka nga labot sa study room. Nakasabot. Congratulations. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Nicole. Okay. Nicole passed her penalty multiplication table 30 times. Eritas ka, ha? Then, if ma-failed na sad ka, another na pud ka magbuhat og multiplication. Ha? Okay. 7 times 4.
28.
3 times 9.
57.
9 times 6.
54.
8 times 3.
24.
6 times 6.
36.
5 times 8.
40.
3 times 5.
15.
9 times 7.
63.
9 times 4.
36.
8 times 3.
24.
7 times 3.
21.
4 times 8.
32.
7 times 4.
28.
9 times 2.
18.
8 times 8.
64.
Okay, congratulations, Nicole. You pass the retest multiplication. Okay, congratulations. That's all. Bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo, Gia.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Kumusta ang penalty sa multiplication?
Okay ra.
Okay ra. Okay. Gia passed her multiplication assignment or penalty 30 times. Okay, retest ka balik ha. If ma-failed ka, another na sa right o multiplication ha. Okay. 9 times 3.
27.
9 times 7.
63.
8 times 3.
24.
2 times 8.
16.
2 times 7.
14.
3 times 6.
18.
3 times 9.
27.
6 times 6.
36.
6 times 3.
18.
7 times 5.
35.
7 times 9.
63.
8 times 7.
56.
5 times 7.
35.
6 times 9.
54.
5 times 9.
45.
3 times 7.
21.
2 times 9.
18.
3 times 3.
9.
9 times 7.
63.
9 times 8.
56.
Okay, congratulations, Gia. You passed the multiplication retest. Okay, that's all. Kamsahamnida. Annyeonghaseyo, Kizel. Ay, napagaw ka, Zay. Okay, tonight, Kizel passed her multiplication assignment 30 times. So, tonight, i-retest ka balik. If ever gani nga, failed na sad ka, rewrite na sad ka ni 30, another 30 times. Okay? Okay. 8 times 6.
48.
5 times 7.
35.
7 times 4.
28.
5 times 9.
45.
3 times 9.
27.
4 times 3.
12.
9 times 7.
63.
9 times 3.
27.
9 times 2.
18.
7 times 8.
56.
9 times 9.
81.
6 times 3.
18.
4 times 3.
12.
5 times 8.
40.
Okay, congratulations! You passed the multiplication retest. Okay, that's all. So, bye-bye, Kizel!
Okay, so Let's start time sequences using first, next, then after that, finally. So use that in a sentence, okay?
Yes.
Okay, sige, start na. First,
In afternoon, I ate my lunch.
next,
Next, I answer a question of my teacher.
okay, good. Then,
Then I go to the home.
okay, I go to
After school.
after school. After that, okay, after that,
I take off my I take off of my uniform and shoes.
finally,
I go to the stadium.
okay, good. Next, Chelsea. Backward, kadayot. Backward gamay.
First, I wake up in the morning at 4.
Next,
Next, I brush my teeth in the morning.
then,
I had my lunch.
after that,
I check my bag. Finally, I go to school 6.
okay, good. Next,
First, I go to school. Next, I'm at school. Then, I answer the question on the board.
okay,
After I eat my lunch. Finally, I go home after school.
okay, good. Next,
I go home after school. First, I go home after school. Next, I eat my lunch. Then, I'm washing my dirty plate. After that, I'm studying my exam. Finally, I'm going to bed to go to sleep.
okay, good. Next, last,
First, I wake up early in the morning. Next, I eat my breakfast.
then,
I go to bathroom and take a bath. 4.
after that,
After that, I brush my teeth and
finally, okay, last, finally,
after that, I brush my teeth and wearing my uniform and ID. Finally, I go to school and start
flag ceremony. Okay, that's good. So that's what happened earlier, no? Time sequences. First, next, then after that, finally. Very good, everyone.